Hi everyone, if you gonna do leveling or you doing leveling every day, you still need to know how to connect few rooms in one shot. You can't level whole apartment or house, so in this case you have to divide it. You see the same situation. I divide few rooms. I put block and level one part, you see, and then I have to level another part. So how to make exactly the same level? If you don't have special tools, it's really hard to do it. But if you buy laser, 4D laser level with bottom transmitter, you see this transmitter. This transmitter very low, only 6 millimeters from the ground. It showed you whole imperfection and can show the line exactly what you wanna fill up with self-leveling compound and connect previous and this room. You see, you can put this laser level in the places, in area what you wanna level, and have a look where is the line located. You see, it's too low, not enough, it's not on the edge previous leveling compound. Now we can move to one side to another side and try to match this green line with the edge that self-leveled area. It's almost done. If you moving your laser level and laser line not match it with the edge, you could put on the bottom of this laser some shim and try to match it. When you finish it, so now you have laser line around all rooms, whole perimeter, and you can set up another tools which is help you to make perfect level. This tool called concrete leveling tripod, very simple tools, 3 legs and central bolt with bottom plate. This bottom plate we can put down or lift it up with this central bolt and match the bottom of this bottom plate with laser line. Very simple. You see, put it down, that's it. Now we set up this tripod, and this is I set up another one. So when we set up this whole bottom plates of tripods, now we see how much self-leveling compound we have to put. We just need to fill up whole area to attach the concrete to the bottom plate of each tripod. Here is a very good example when you need to transfer the laser line to the corner. In that area laser not be visible, and so I have to move a laser to another place. So what I did, I'll try to find the spot where can I match the previous installed tripods, but there was too low, and I found a piece of drywall and put laser onto this drywall and move to sides, right and left, and try to match the laser line, bottom laser line of laser to that tripod which is I already installed. Now I can set up tripods in that spot which I not finished yet. I'm not using any screws, pins, nails to set up the level because I try to use it when self-leveling compound overlap these pins or nails. I can see how higher I put self-leveling compound, but with tripods it's easy, very visible, and these tools when you buy it in once, you can use a long time. These tripods I bought, and I guess it's in 2013 or 14, and I'm still, it's already over the 10 years, I'm just still using, just after each job I'm just washing it, and it's durable, you know, and buy once and you can use forever. Okay, another things. So now I already start to fill up this area with self-leveling compound. When you set up everything, you have to, and going to start leveling, you have to understand where you start pouring concrete and when you have to finish, because sometimes you have only one exit, like in this area what I am doing, and if you start from the exit and going to fill up whole area, sometimes self-leveling compound start settle, I mean getting harder before you finished. So if it's that exit getting harder before you finish the floor, you can go away, and if you go away you can make, you know, some damages concrete, and you have to fix it, and so many things. So first of all, start from the farthest point from the exit. What I start in the washroom and the dryer's room, and then I'm doing slightly, fill up, and come to the exit. This is connection previous leveled area and new leveled area. You see, I finish. So I put self-leveling compound exactly to the bottom plate, and it's really visible for me, and I don't have to measure or some thinking about it's enough or not enough. Just, you see, I see whole bottom plate of tripods, and everywhere the self-leveling compound attached to the bottom plate of tripods, exactly level what I need. Very simple. So now when I finish this area, I make a little bit overlapping the previous self-leveling compound, little bit I overlap the edge. So when this side will dry, I'm just take the grinder and smoothly grind, and this connection not be visible, it will be one nice level. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.